Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Brain Sizzlers. Today we are continuing with our three sets analogy, that is the overlapping sets. Today we are going to see a special case of the upper bound and lower bound limits of the persons who like at least any two categories, or rather, exactly two categories. So now we take into consideration the sports lovers who love cricket, hockey, and football. Let me put the given value of the total number of persons who are being surveyed is 80, and this 80 is nothing but the total number of persons who like at least any of the three sports. That means there aren't any persons who doesn't like any of the sports, or rather simply C union F union H, the whole complement is a null set, and C union F union H equal to 80. Right. Now, the individual value of the cricket lovers is given to be 55, hockey lovers it's given to be 55, and football lovers it's given to be 40. When you add the cumulative values, it adds up to 150. But the total being surveyed is only 80. So, where can be the balance go? See, it's quite obvious that when we added the cricket, hockey, and football lovers, there are actually these zones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zones. These are the intersection zones, and these are double intersection zones. This one is the triple intersection zone. So, when we fix some arbitrary alphabets for each of this, exclusive cricket lovers, let me name it as C, exclusive hockey lovers, let me name it as H, exclusive football lovers, F, and people who love only cricket and football, let it be Y, only cricket and hockey, X, only hockey and football, Z, and only cricket and hockey is X, and people who love all the three sports, let it be W. So C plus X plus H plus F plus Y plus W plus Z adds up to 80. So in spite of the intersection zones being present, we are adding that only once. But to get 150, what we have to do, we have to add the double intersection once again here. So X is added once again, Z is added once again, Y is added once again, and W is added twice extra. So the extra 70, which we are getting after adding the cumulative values of cricket, hockey, and football lovers, is got by the additional X, the additional Y, the additional Z, and 2 times the additional, that is 2W. So it will adds up to 280. It will add up to 80. So rather 70. Now, the potential question that can be asked in any of the competitive exams is that what is the maximum number of persons who love exactly two sports? See, the maximum number of persons who love at least two sports, that means who love exactly two sports and exactly three sports, it cannot be more than 70, simply because the difference between 150 and 80 is 70, and these are the additional zones which can be filled. If we cross check, we will also get some idea. If all the 55 is being inserted here, 20, 30 and 25, and 30 and 25, this upper bound limit will have a problem. So I cannot go beyond 20 here and 20 here, for example. So because the overall F value cannot cross 40, so the maximum value I can go for all the double intersection, triple intersection put together is only 70. So in that case, so X plus Y plus Z plus 2W adds up to 70. So when can be the number of sports lovers who love exactly two sports can be maximum? This can be maximum only when the number of sports lovers who love exactly three sports has to be minimum. So if I put W to be 0, so X plus Y plus Z equal to 70. So 70 is my final answer. So this is one of the potential questions that can be asked in any of the competitive exam. We will discuss regarding the next question in our subsequent video. Thanks a lot.